So as you can see, our projections for the next quarter are looking exceptionally strong based on these trends.
Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain why companies still hiring human data analysts. Even though AI tools like ChatGPT-5 can already do a lot of analysis work. And trust me, by the end you will see how AI can actually make analysts more valuable, not less. So let's start. Sure, AI can crunch numbers, but here's the things. It does not actually know the real business goal. As a human analyst, you understand a company's industries, customer, and strategies. That means you can ask the right question before touching the data. For example, sales are down. What AI can do now? AI can now here. AI will tell you the numbers, but you will figure out if it's because of seasonal demand or a new competitor or a new supply issues. Next one is gathering data gathering and access. AI cannot just log into a company's private database. It's you who connect the system, pull the right data, and ensure everything follows company's policies. Without that, AI has nothing to analyze. Data cleaning and judgment call. Here's something every analyst know that real world data is messy. There are missing value, wrong product calls, and many more. And those unexpected only for all that is unexpected, and that's know that only you and your teams know about this. AI can suggest fix it, but only you can decide what's the correct and what's the noise. Storytelling and communication. AI can make charts, but talking with CEO and talking with your manager and convincing your stakeholder CEO to act, to take actual decision, that's take human communication skill. You explain insight in the way that connect the with people. You answer their follow-up questions and you build trust, ethic and responsibility. Data analysis. Okay, data analysis can affect pricing, pricing, hiring, and targeting customers. Companies want a human who can take responsibility for those choices and make sure they are ethical. AI as a tool, not a replacement. Who are now smartest analysts today? Who they actually they are using AI to speed up the boring stuff like data cleaning, writing SQL queries, suggesting visualization, and then they spend more time to the big and the high value strategies. That's what's make them more valuable than ever before. So my conclusion is no, AI is not replacing data analysts, it's upgrading them. If you learn how to use AI as your assistant, you will become the kind of analyst every companies want to hire you. So if you found this useful, hit the like button, drop a comment telling me your thoughts, and subscribe for more videos on data career and AI skills. By the way, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.